In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the dimensions of a page. Now we are going to be using Canva Pro to do this, and if you'd like to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description. Now there is also a free way to do this, and if you want to check that out, I'll also link a video all about that in the description as well. So, to do this, to change the dimensions, we want to use Resize a Magic Switch, which is up here in the left hand corner. Now if we click on here, we can then go to Custom Size, and then this is where we can change. So we can choose in between pixels, inches, millimeters and centimeters. Now if we come back off here and go to File, we can see that these dimensions are currently 21 centimeters by 29.7. But let's go ahead and change this. Let's change it to an 8.5 times 11. Now I've done this before, so I already have these sizes just here, but we want to go to Custom Size. We're going to change this to inches. You'll also find your saved ones just here, but we've got this on inches. We're going to do an 8.5. We're going to do times 11. Then we just want to click on Continue. Now from here we have a few different options. We can copy and resize this design just here into a brand new project. But if you just want to do the current project which you've got, we can simply click on Resize this design. It's going to take a second, and now that's been resized. So from here, what we realistically want to do is just make sure everything's lined up. Let's in fact make that bit a little bit smaller, like so. But we just want to adjust the design to fit the new dimensions. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to change the page dimensions here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.